Hi friends, this video shows how to do system update or software update. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video. First you go to settings. Select settings from top. Go to device preferences. Select about. Select system update. See, it shows that there is an update. The size of the update is 738 MB. Let me check what is in this update. This update includes fix remote controller crash low probability, optimize the playback experience, improve system performance, then update Google security patch. So these are the changes in this update. Please read it carefully. If you are okay with all these changes, we can go ahead, download and install this update into the TV. So let me download and install this system update into this TV. Let me trigger the download. See, now it's downloading this system update. So this way we can check for system update, then download and install it. Please check it.